Hey guys, my name is Jay Spriggs. I'm the barman over at the Hilton Biltmore Park. Today we're going to be preparing for you some summer refreshing drinks. Alright guys, we're going to do a tequila drink now using strawberries and jalapenos. Tequila is a very refreshing drink, especially in the warmer weather of the summer. So we're going to use Tres Generations Silver, Cointreau for a little orange note, a splash of simple syrup for a little sweetness, lime, strawberries, and of course the jalapeno. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and juice a lime. So with a handheld juicer, about half a lime, go ahead and squeeze it. Add some strawberries, and add a little simple. We're going to go ahead and return to our muddler and juice those strawberries, those nice fresh strawberries. Next we're going to add our Cointreau. And then our tequila. Once we've done that, we're going to add a spoonful of ice. And now we're going to shake it up just a little bit. Mix the ingredients. And now we're going to add the spice. And give it a few more shakes. And this action is chilling it and kind of breaking up the alcohol a little bit and combining a little bit of that spice with that sweetness. Once we've done that, top it off with a little fresh ice. Green straw goes a long way. Cheers.